Uy, 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 uy! So, what's up, YouTube? So, ako nga po ito lalaro ng horror game. So, ang lalaroin po natin ngayon ay AO Oni 2. Sana tama yung pagkabigkas ko. Sorry guys, hindi muna natin malalaro yung 1 kasi Japanese subtitle. Ay, Japanese yung dub niya. Kasi hindi naman natin maintindihan kung Japanese tapos Pilipino tayo, diba? So, dito muna tayo sa 2. Pero ayusin ko pa rin yung 1 kung paano natin i-ano yung subtitle niya. So, sana po natin. New start. Yes, sir. Hirochi. Long ago, a century school in the outskirts of town was suddenly closed. With D. Wow. Nowadays, no one knows the reason why it was suddenly closed. But there was certain rumors going around. Wait lang, medyo mabilis ata magbasa. Okay, they said the blue monster appeared in that abandoned school building. Okay. You know. But thank goodness. Wait lang. Tako. Thank goodness. You woke up. Where is this place? The four of us were sneaking into the abandoned school. I don't remember anything after we entered the school building. When I came to, I'm already here. No one told me that there's be a jailhouse here. Let's just stop with this test of courage and just go home. Why? Why are you here? Teach? Teach eh. Teach? Teacher nga. Sheesh. Teacher. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, boys. I saw you. Talaga. I saw you all entering the abandoned school, so I followed you. Wow. The moment I entered the school building, everything suddenly went dark. Mika, what a creepy place. Let's get out of here quickly. You're right. Let's get out of here for now. Okay. Saan ako? Ayaw. Sheesh. Ay, pwede pala yun. Okay. Seems like it luck. Okay. May kumikinang mga boss. May kumikinang. Ayaw. Tapos, pindutin ko ba yun? Jailhouse key. Okay. Wow! Napakagaling! Jailhouse key use. Okay. Yay. What is this jail? We entered the school, didn't we? Yay. Okay, so may nabasag. Palakasan lang natin yung... Wala guys. What's that sound just now? And then... I'll go and take a look. Wala. Ba't pare-parehas yung boses? Wait, be careful. Dang! A rat. Rat. Okay, so pwede pala. Shit. Uy, ba't ayaw? Thank you. Ito yun, nabasa mo. Ayaw mo pindot. Wow. Tapos, forward memo. Opte. So pipindutin ko lang pala yung ano yun guys. Yung bilog niya dito. Okay. Oh. Sheesh. Seems like the sound from before was that rat. Okay. So susunod ko ba siya? Wait lang. Check muna natin dito. Wala. Okay. So muna tayo sa mga kaibigan natin. Oh, nawala na sila. Takichi. Where's everyone else? Trembling. Gee. Takechi. I saw it. Ah! Takeshi. Okay, uy. Ayan. Wala na siya. Ang galing. May kumikinang mga boss. Click. Where are book pocket tight? Okay. Ano to? Hagdan ba to? Wala. Oh, there. Sheesh. The door is nailed shut. Okay. Kaya pintuan kaya to. The door won't open. Doesn't this picture on the side have something to do with it? May ano ba tayo? Walang item. Wow. Item. Covered din. Okay. So, wala. Okay. To. May pintuan dito. Seems like that. Okay. So, diyan tayo galing. Ano to? Pwede magtago. Okay. Wala man lang dito. Wala nga. Ang galing. Wait lang. Ano yun? It seems like has been used for a long time. A strange smell is coming out from the toilet bowl. Sheesh. Ito. Ano to? Wala. Tapos, there are a book pocket tight. Wait lang. Wait lang ko yung kunin niya. Ayaw din. Blah blah blah. Kableng. Bakit ayaw makuha? Ayaw. Ayan. Pwede pala yun? Uy, teka lang. Pwede pala yun eh. Sheesh! Thank you very much. Underground archive key obtained. Ano? Sorry, hindi ko. Okay, yun nga kanina. So, ito ba yun? The door won't open, doesn't discover. This picture on the side have something to do with it? No. Thank you. Door, then shut, blah blah. Saan na pupunta? Oo nga. So, dito tayo. Yes, sir. Oh, dang. Nasaan na ako? Oh, dang. Sheesh. Okay, so far so good. Hello? May kumikinaw. Wala. Makati yung mata ko. Nail puller. Sheesh. Oy! Buksan mo! Umayan! Oy! Sheesh. Pala. Yun na yun. Thank you. Okay, save na natin. Save na natin. Data, yes. At complete. Sheesh, yes, alam na natin yan. Kung ano mangyayari, blah blah blah, ganyan. Ba't nga ba ganyan yung controller ko, ha? Nakakasama man. Teka. Ano may ano ko? Shit, wala. Okay. Siyempre, alam na natin yan. Di ba? Ang galing. Oy! Ang bilis. Continue. Ang galing ko. Oo na lang po. Ano? Kablay. Thank you.
Ba't ayaw mong gumalaw ba, boss?
Oh, shit. Oh. Ba't ayaw ko ba? Nasa ba? Settings nga. Control display, yes. Ayun. Notification. Controller display. Okay. Continue. Blah, blah, blah. Close. Ayun, yung mahirap. Putay. Thank you. Close. Dito nabol. There!
Brother, what's that? What's that, brother?
Power! Ay, wala na siya. Ayaw. Ayaw umalis. Ayun, thank you. Oh, tapos? Oo nga. Yung nail. Na tayo doon sa pinuntahan natin kanina. Ka-blank. Bush. Nail pool. Ay, nail pool. Blah, blah, blah. Ewan. Okay, yan to. Sheesh. Oh, thank you. Ano to? You get enough blue coins for rolling a mask. No, thank you. Ano to? Pwede ko pala makuha yun. Get. Okay. Tapos, puzzle piece. Oh. Yun na. Guys, alam na natin kung saan na natin pupunta to. Blank. Shoot. Uy, ayaw. Bakit dito talaga? Okay. Ayaw. Ang galing. Wala nga. Sa item po. Use. Thank you. Insert the piece into the puzzle on the wall. There are sounds of a door opening right beside. Wala. Nakawala yung boses na Orichi. Okay. Yes, sir. Tataas tayo. Ano to? Paano to? Okay. Ito kami naman yan. Lawak naman yan. Okay. These are sound coming from the girl toilets. Oh, dang. Peach. Thank God, you're alright. Were you chased by the blue monster too, Teach? Yeah, it appeared while everyone was waiting for you. We managed to lose it, but everyone is spread now. Separated now. I saw Itachi. Let's find him. Okay. Oh, wait. Explore muna natin. Ay, pwede pala ako mag-hide dito. So far, so good. Sheesh, green plus black. Violet. Ay, green plus black. Black and green. Huwag muna natin sagutin yun. Green plus black. Ano? Seems black on face. Seems black down. So, explore lang muna natin. Oh, wow. Ano to? Oh, gate. Ano to? There's a wide scale in their object with various shapes. Sheesh. The draw is locked. 1126. 1126. 1126. Ano yun? 1126. Sheesh. Oh, shush! Oh. Ano na? Nakuha tayo. Dang it. Nga pala, kalimutan kong save. Bayan! Wala. Sabi na nga. Wait. Connector, lovely, okay. Each small box, there is small connector. Ano ba yung connector na yun? Siyempre, coin! Use yan to return connector. The small box open and I took what inside. Ano to? Glass slide. Saan to? Okay. Save. Kailangan natin i-save lagi para hindi tayo mamamatay kaagad. Uulitan na naman natin yan. Tapos, thank you. Glass. Siyempre, yan. Okay, so, glass slide. I cannot use it here. Glass slide. Glass. Yung glass. Pasan ba yung glass na yan? Siyempre, di ko alam yan. Glass slide. Lang. Loading tayo ngayon. Dang. Okay. Ito ba? Glass slide. Oh, wait. Di ko pa pala napupuntan. Nakalock. Then, tapos glass slide. Tapos na ba? Ano nata? Oh shit! Oh dang! Wala, hindi niya umabol yan. Oh. Thank you. Save natin yan lagi. Okay. So guys, ito muna natin tatapusin guys. Yung AO-ONI 2. So guys, kung nagustuhan itong video ito, please leave a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Kaya mag-alala guys, once na natapos ko tong story na to, ayusin ko yung Oni na una. Kasi Japanese yun eh. So dito muna natin tatapusin. See you next episode. Peace. Bye.